Hi, this message is just going to be for my Spanish speakers before we continue. Hola, ¿cómo están? Nomás les quiero avisar que el video va a continuar en inglés, pero si lo quieren mirar en español, hay un enlace en la descripción abajo para ir al video en español. Muchas gracias. Thank you. Here I bring you another video, just a couple conversations, to when you decide you want to hire someone. When you want to hire someone to help you with cleaning, for example, if you need help from 1 or 2 people, you have to be incredibly careful who you hire and where you leave them. Just because I had many bad experiences, I tried many people when I thought they were ready to go clean. I would send them by themselves, not completely alone. We'd send them in a team of 2. The person who does the kitchen or that I assigned as leader would talk to the customers and start to offer services to them at a lower price. And this leader would try to offer many of my job site services. Slowly, without noticing, the leader and the companion I had set as a team would inform me they will no longer be able to work on certain days or weekends. And I would say, okay, that's fine. And then out of the blue, the customers would start to cancel dates and then terminate services. I pay insurances, I pay taxes, I pay whatever is necessary to keep my business. I pay the person who answers the phone, I pay the helpers, I pay the mileage, and there are many other expenses for my business to keep running. For me to come to the customer and charge them, for example, $15 an hour, $10 an hour, or even $20 an hour, or for me to come and give them a flat rate service to complete the job so it's not by hour, I can't give them an economic price because, as I will repeat myself, I have a lot of expenses as a legitimate business. We don't work for the like of it, we work for the need to have to pay bills and survive. So these helpers would come and solicitate at my job sites and win $12, $13, or even $15 an hour sometimes, but the majority would charge by the hour for them to clean their houses, and that would cause us to lose jobs and lower down the value of the whole job industry of house cleaning. It lowers down the value of not just me, but other people that also have a legitimate business. We pay insurances, the taxes, and many other additional expenses for them to come and take our business away. So what happened is that they took my houses, and the worst is that they don't even continue it. The sun comes out for everyone, but everyone scratches by their own nails. As in, I go and search for my jobs and I pay for the advertisements. I do everything I can do to generate money for the customers to see me, to acknowledge me, to show them what we offer. And all they do is ask for a job and I send them out and they take away my jobs, getting the jobs directly. And I believe that's just unfair. And if you are one of those people who are looking for more jobs, starting your own business, I recommend you one thing. Search for your own houses. Pay for your advertisement. Do your own work because the sun comes out for everyone, not just one person. I recommend you to do it for yourself, to search for your own job so you understand how we suffer from the beginning, looking to be acknowledged by a customer. Start from the beginning because people go through a lot of waiting for one house every 1 to 3 months or even longer than that, until slowly you build your own list of customers. It's not just to arrive at someone else's business, ask for a job, and then take as many jobs as you can from that business, with the audacity to start cleaning that home with no problem in the world. So before we continue, we have a store that is at Poshmark where you can order all the items that we use during our videos. We also have items that we sell at our local store. If you have anything that you are interested, like for example ácido cítrico that you might be looking to make, it will be on the description below if you wish to go see our Poshmark store. I believe it shouldn't be that way. Don't bite the hand that gives you to eat. They provided you a chance to have a job and all you do is betray their trust. So if you start your own business, I recommend to search for your own houses, to never offer your service to a customer while you are on the job. I didn't have just one bad experience. I've had many bad experiences from multiple helpers. And I believe it's just not fair. If you are starting your own business, search for your own houses. You can always do it. But search for it. The sun comes out for everyone, not just one person. There are houses everywhere. You simply have to search for them. And to repeat myself, don't knock on a door that someone already sent you. That customer always returns. I have customers where they leave us and then come back asking to start services again, letting us know that people who worked with us that were hired outside of our business robbed them and that they lost items in their house. But helpers that provide services outside my business are no longer my responsibility. I can say thank you to God. I've been in my business for 20 years and never have I had an item go missing. If a customer has called me and informed me that they lost an item, I respond with asking the helpers and they let me know where they've seen it, saved it, or moved it. But never have I had anything gone missing. I had a small inconvenience with the customer. She called me, informed me that the girls robbed her, and I asked her which girls. Please give me their names. And she tells me the names of these girls, and I inform her that these women only worked for me less than 2 weeks. Why? Because during that time they only came to take away the jobs I had assigned them by leaving business cards at my customers' houses. After they did that, they left. So they no longer work with me, and she responds with, no, but they worked with you and they robbed me. And then I asked her, okay, what day and time did they come to your house to clean? She responds with, they came on this day and time. Well, okay, then does that mean you hired them outside of our business? Yes, but, and that's when I said, no, you hired these girls outside of my business, not with me. I'm not responsible for any misconduct they provide you. So call them and take care of their misconduct with them. They have nothing to do with me. Since this date and time, you called them directly to their phone number to get services from them. Therefore, the responsibility is brought to you and them. I have nothing to do with this, and that's what I'm referring to. I pay for insurances for situations like this, so I can take the responsibility for any misconduct, missing items, broken items during the services. I pay my taxes, I pay whatever is necessary to keep my business. I pay the person who answers the phone, I pay the helpers, I pay the mileage, I pay for advertisements from different social medias to keep my customers, and for them to acknowledge me and see my work is extremely hard. There are many other expenses that my business needs for it to keep running. For me to compete with prices of people who are not a real business and doesn't pay taxes or doesn't pay insurances is nearly impossible with all the expenses that we have to handle. Before we continue, we also have a Kate booking system website where you can sign up and put your business information, get more customers, and if you're a pro and you're looking to be helped with taxes and organizing your site and your information, you can go on this website and it will definitely give you a calendar for you and set up calendars for your helpers or your employees that you are looking to schedule their appointments for them to see and for you to see, and for them to clock in and clock out. So there's a lot of things that this website will offer, and there's a lot more features coming up in the future. If you want to know more, make sure to check the description below. The link will be located on the description for katebookingsystem.com. I hope that the translating videos that I post for LimpiezaConCarolina helps you in your house cleaning. She has a lot more tips, and I'll definitely be translating all her videos throughout this channel, because I know that there's a lot of people on the comment section that are asking for tips in English. They understand it, but not completely, and they would wish for it to be in English. So I decided to make videos just translating it to English. So if you want to see more, make sure to be updating yourself with my YouTube channel. Once a week on a Saturday, we'll be uploading new videos. Leave a comment on the section below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.